Hi, here at SpaceX launch site. It is 10:21 in the morning. There is a intermittent road closure right now, and they're doing some venting. They're doing some venting on pad A for the next hour. It was just broadcast over the loudspeaker, but I think the intermittent road closure today was so that they could do the road work that they're doing there with the grading and the different machinery. So they've been scraping and grading down the road. Maybe that's in preparation for something later today, or just in general, or down the road they're going to be moving some larger, taller equipment like a booster, and maybe they just want to make it nice and level. So I think this morning's intermittent road closure was so that they could grade the road. So I don't expect anything to be moved this morning, but I do see work here on the road, and we're looking at pad booster 3 there. What's left of it is there on pad B, and for the next hour they are venting. They've already started. I can hear it in the background. So that's what's going on this morning here at SpaceX launch site in South Texas. And my name is S Mamakos with OceanCam.